Good day, everyone. Okay, what we have this morning is Vag Monday. Okay, so Vag Monday, let's look at simple mode from onboard. So Vag Monday, starting from event 22, Toto gave you a group 7 and a group 5 lapping each other to create addition of 48. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Your date is 17th. This date will create addition of 36 with your first machine number, and this group 7 here will also create addition of 50 at last box. At the same time, this 19 will create addition of 43 under the dates also as your date. So following week, Lotto says this 17 here, the date that created addition of 36. Let's counter this 17 to first box, and this last position number plus of 19 as you two direct. Okay, so following week, this addition of 48 should come and counter right under these two numbers. So the counterpart of 32 is 77, the counterpart of 16 is 61, and this date will also counter, giving you your best three numbers. Okay, so when you check the current two started from event 127, a group 7 and a group 5 to give you addition of 48. So 1, 2, 3, your date is 12. From 36 is your first machine number, and this group 7 to from 50 is your last position number. So these two also create addition of 43 under the date. So if that is the case, let's counter this date as our first position number, and this group 7 plus of 19 to give you 5735. Okay, so today, all things being equal, let's counter this addition of 48 to 79 59, and this date of 19 to will also come and counter, giving you 79 59 64 as your best three. Okay, so let's add this simple two direct to it too. So since Vag Monday started, this is the first time 48 drop at last box. Okay, so it didn't drop again. So it came to event 122, and the 48 came to drop at last box. And last 2 weeks, it came to drop for the third time. Okay, so the plan says when 48 drop at last box, following week, the number that will lap it, this number from 92 is your first position number. That's 56. So this from 92 is what? 56. And a number on the line minus of 36. So it took 77 minus of 36 to drop right under the number that is going from 92. So that following week, this number that went from 36 will split this starting 48 as your banker. So the number that will go minus of 36 should also create difference of 3 with the machine number. Okay, and it came here. So this was the number that lapped the 48. From 92 is your first position number, and it took 45 minus of 36 under it. So this number 2 and this number is difference of 3. So following week, this number under the 29 should split this 48 as your banker. So today, this number under the 48, this 35, from 92 is 57. And we want a number here, when goes minus of 36, should create a difference of 3 at the machine side. So when you check, when this 76 goes minus of 36 is 40. Okay, so 40 and this 43 is difference of 3. But when you check, this minus of 36 is 21. This minus of 36 is 17. This minus of 36 is single 8. Okay, so it's only this number that cannot create a difference of 3. But if you have money, you can use the 57 against all the minus of 36. This number can always, the number that drop under the 48 cannot go minus of 36, because this is more than 36. These two cannot go minus of 36, and the 36 to minus 36 is not possible. Okay, so if you have money, you can just use 57 against 40, 57 against 21, 57 against single 8, 57 against 17, and try as a 2-short pair. Okay, all right. So Vag Monday, this is our best trade, and this is our two drives. Thank you very much, and please bring all your game for me to write in for you. Thank you.